have in the divisor we have two decimal place. Okay, in the dividend we have one decimal place. So what we are going to do here, we have 0.25, so we have to make it a whole number. So to make it a whole number, take two jumps and it will become 25, right? Now what about 2.7? 2.7, when you will take two jumps, so you have only one number here, right? So what we're going to do, we place two zeros. Okay, you can place as many zeros as you want to take the jumps. Again, you will take two jumps and it will become 270, right? And 25, in the table of 25, 25 how many times goes into 270? Okay, so 25 is 10 times 250. Okay, 7 minus 5 is, over here we are left with 20. So what we are going to do now, 20 is smaller than 25. So what we are going to do, we are going to place a decimal here and place a zero here. Okay, one decimal can bring down a zero, so we are going to put a decimal there, and then we are going to do it again. 25 is 8 times 200. So your answer is 10.8. All right, now here in the divisor we have three decimal place, and the dividend we have one decimal place. So here we are going to take how many jumps to make it a whole number? We will take three jumps to make it a whole number, and it will become 9. And same we are going to do for 5.4. To make three jumps, we will place three zeros, and then we can take three jumps. 1, 2, 3. So it will become 5400 divided by 9. So we are going to divide 5400 by 9. Okay, in the table of 9, 9 is 6 times 54. So we can do 9 is 6 times 54, and you can bring those zeros up, or you can do 600 times is 5400. Right, 9 6 times 54, 960 times 540, 9 600 times 5400. So your answer is 600. Okay, now see, okay, I'm sorry, I'm going to zoom it. Okay, over here these are the rules that you have to follow whenever you are dividing the decimal numbers. Follow these rules. Okay, here we are dividing 3.64 by 1.4. 1.4 is the divisor. Number one, make the divisor a whole number by moving the decimal point. Okay, there is one decimal point, make it a whole number, it will become 14. And in the dividend 3.64, move the decimal point in the dividend same number of places, so it will become 36.4. Okay, then you are going to divide it. Number 3 is to divide. You will divide and you will get the quotient 2.6. All right, you have to line up the decimal point in the quotient with decimal point in the dividend. All right, जो हमारे पास जो dividend होता है, dividend में जहाँ decimal होता है, one place decimal अगर dividend में है तो क्वोशंट में भी वन प्लेस डेसिमल ही होता है. ठीक है, उसके आंसर में भी वन प्लेस डेसिमल आता है. अगर डिविडेंड में वन प्लेस है तो आंसर में भी डिविडेंड आपका वन प्लेस डेसिमल आता है. ठीक है, सो फॉर नाउ I hope you all have understood this lesson.